Hi guys, welcome back again here in Filipino Pipe Fitters FB page and YouTube channel. This video will tell you about the pipe fitters tools. Do you experience a piping interview? So, if your answer is no, this video was made for you. If yes, kindly comment what are the missing tools that I forgot to mention in this video. Thank you. Number 1. Small angle grinder and large angle grinder. An angle grinder, also known as a side grinder or disc grinder, is a handheld power tool used for grinding, abrasive cutting, and polishing. Number 2. Chain block. A chain block, also known as a hand chain hoist, is a mechanism used to lift and lower heavy loads using a chain. Chain blocks contain two wheels which the chain is wound around. When the chain is pulled, it winds around the wheels and begins to lift the item that is attached to the rope or chain via a hook. Chain blocks can also be attached to lifting slings or chain bags to lift the load more evenly. Number 3. Lever block or come along. A lever hoist is a piece of high-quality equipment used to lift and lower heavy loads without the aid of machinery. The ratchet lever attached to the side of the lever hoist allows the chain to be freewheeled when placed in the neutral position. Number 4. Ball-Peen hammer. A ball-peen or ball-peen hammer, also known as a machinist's hammer, is a type of peening hammer used in metalworking. It has two heads, one flat and the other, called the peen, rounded. Ball-peen hammers are commonly used to drive cold chisels, set rivets, and bend and shape metal. Number 5. Pipe wraparound. The wrap can be used as a straight edge to mark straight lines around the pipe and to mark angles for pipe elbows. The pipe wrap is constructed of highly abrasion and solvent-resistant materials to last under heavy use. Number 6. L-square or steel square. L-square or steel square may be used to check the squareness of one surface to another, find pipe center line, measure center-to-end dimensions of pipe elbows and tees. Number 7. Steel tape measure. A tape measure or measuring tape is a flexible ruler used to measure distance. It consists of a ribbon of cloth, plastic, fiberglass, or metal strip with linear measurement markings. It is a common measuring tool. Number 8. Plumb bob. A bob of lead or other heavy material forming the weight of a plumb line, can be used to mark a point directly above or below another point. Number 9. Level bar. A device for establishing a horizontal plane. It consists of a small glass tube containing alcohol or similar liquid and an air bubble. The tube is sealed and fixed horizontally in a wooden or metallic block or frame with a smooth lower surface. Checking horizontal, vertical and 45-degree level. Number 10. Soft stone or chalk stone. A stone used for marking center line or cutting point of the pipe, platform, beam, and foundation. Number 11. High-low gauge. The high-low gauge doubles as a way of checking cap height and measuring pipe wall thickness. As a pipe fitter or welding inspector, two other dimensions you need to check are root gap and bevel angle. Number 12. Gap taper gauge. Taper gauge work using the same basic principles as a typical feeler gauge. Fill the gap between two surfaces using a calibrated measuring instrument to determine the distance between them. The gauges come to a narrow point at the tip of the blade, then expand out like to form a wedge. Number 13. Feeler gauge. A feeler gauge is a tool used to measure gap widths. Feeler gauges are mostly used in pipe and pump parallelism. Number 14. Combination wrench. A wrench with one open end and one socket end. Select the right size opening for the nut or bolt and start tightening or loosening. Number 15. Flathead screwdriver. Most of pipe fitters used a flathead screwdriver for the gap and high-low alignment. Number 16. Spud wrench. A spud wrench is a wrench with an adjustable or standard box wrench on one end and a tapered spike on the other. The spike can be used to line up bolt holes when installing pipe fittings, doing automotive work, or in the case of iron worker for lining up bolt holes in girders and beams. Number 17. Pencil grinder. A pencil grinders provide precise shaping and grinding of workpiece components and surfaces. They are powered by compressed air to deburr parts, smooth and finish molds, blend contours, and grind the inside of holes. That's all guys, and if you like this video please click the link above of the description. Kindly hit subscriber and bell button for more videos and updates.